Hi everyone, welcome back. Well, today's video is going to be a little bit different. You see, I'm not decorating anything today. Instead, I want to show you what I'm planning next because I've created a little bit of a dilemma for myself. So you guys know how much the foyer has changed. Between bringing in the black around the front door, trimming everything out, working on these columns, the foyer is finally starting to feel richer, moodier, but there has been an unexpected side effect. So every time I gaze over here at the foyer and move over here to the dining room area suddenly feels disconnected from the foyer. So there's not necessarily anything wrong with that. It just doesn't feel like it belongs to the same story anymore. The foyer has become stronger, more dramatic. And now the dining room is sitting over here as if it's saying, what about me? Oh, what about me? I've been thinking, how do I connect the two spaces without making them feel too matchy-matchy? I certainly don't want to go paint this whole room black, and it just feels like a big den. You know what I mean? Very heavy. Anyway, when I stand back and I pan, I'm sure you can see the difference here. Dark, light, dark, light. I need to bring some moodiness, some texture, some drama to this space to kind of have it match in a way that it feels cohesive and it flows. So I think I definitely found my starting point. Wallpaper. I can't believe I'm even saying that. So I ordered this wallpaper on Amazon, and it's a black and gray damask pattern. It almost looks slightly blue, and it seems like a lot of you have really liked me adding a pop of blue here and there. And so I thought, what if we do the dining room with a slight soft blue? Sort of. I don't know, that's my thought. So you see, what this wallpaper does is several things. It gives me that darker, moodier element that will tie back into the foyer. It has a beautiful traditional pattern. I mean, it's classic, it's not going out of style anytime soon, yet it still feels elegant and warm. And here's what I'm thinking. So the one thing I don't want to do is wallpaper the whole room. I just don't want to do that. Instead, I am envisioning one large intentional section of wallpaper. I want it to look like this feature was built for this room, almost like a big giant decorative panel. I think it's going to give me the contrast I'm missing right now instead of these light walls. Again, not that there's anything wrong with that. It's just I'm looking for moody, dramatic, sophisticated, elegant, classic, timeless. And one thing I definitely don't want to have happen is for the dining room to be a carbon copy of the foyer. Don't want that. The black in this wallpaper will visually speak to the foyer, but it has pattern, texture, detail that will give the dining room its own personality. A personality all of her own. I want the two rooms to feel related. The foyer is big, it's wide, it's open. This is also a decent sized dining room. And so I just want to connect the two so that it flows, so that it feels homey, cozy, and pretty. I want to be able to stand in this space and feel like there's a natural flow to it. It's not choppy. And that's sort of what I'm feeling right now. It's like bam, the foyer with the black, dramatic trim work. And then you look over here and it just feels like it fell short. It was an afterthought. That's how it feels. So you see, I think this is the one thing that's gonna bring these two spaces together. What I want really is if you come into the front door, you see a feature wall right here. If you're coming in from the family room or the kitchen area or this big long hallway over here and you look diagonal over here, these two feature walls bring it all home. So anyway, I'm gonna take you down. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna show you what I plan to do. And then I would love your feedback. I truly would. After living in this house for an entire year, we didn't really do much. We kind of wanted to live in this space before we threw paint on the wall, change things up, if you know what I mean. And now it's time to personalize. A lot of you keep saying, Liz, when's the next move? There is no next move. We love our house. We love the property. I can't even imagine moving. I can't, and I don't want to move. So I really want to personalize this house. So what I'd really like to focus on for the remainder of the year on into next is really personalizing this home and giving it some character, some personality, some life. Okay, just so you see what I'm talking about. I'm not even standing as far back as I can go. I'm just standing here sort of near the kitchen area, but not really. But anyway, as you walk in, boom, 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 black. Then you move over here, boring. Dramatic, sophisticated, elegant, fun, boring. So do you see what I mean? How if we did a feature wall right here and we took it all the way to the top of the ceiling and we did one here. See, I don't want to paint all the walls. I don't want to add wallpaper all in this room. I just want a feature wall. And so I want to get a different rug, perhaps a new chandelier down the line. But the feature wall, I want it to be like bam. Okay, so I want to show you guys something, okay? This wood is actually supposed to be for my custom shelves I want to build. However, I'm using this as a prop to kind of give you my vision. So I want to unwrap this. I haven't even looked at this paper yet. So let's unwrap it together. Isn't this pretty? I absolutely love the pattern. Classic, it's traditional, but it's sophisticated. Okay, so see how the trim work is up there? I kind of want to do something similar in here. Not necessarily black. I might do white trim, bigger, bulkier, more dramatic in white. Okay, let me show you what I'm thinking. Imagine. Okay, see my cabinet right here? I want to do a feature wall that comes out, I don't know, maybe a foot on each side. And then I want to take the wood all the way up here, trim out the top, and then drop the wood over there about a foot on the other side. So this is going to be the focal point wall. Imagine all that gone. Okay, now that we've got that addressed, imagine this on the walls with my furniture in here. Right now, the furniture is very light and it all just kind of blends with the wall. I really feel like this is gonna make this room pop. So imagine that, okay? Now imagine this wood painted the trim color, or black. I'm not sure what would look better. You guys tell me. Okay, then, again, imagine this painted the trim color or black. And then I'm going to take my wood, and the wood pieces are going to flank each side. And then the wallpaper will be encapsulated within the wood trim framework. And the top is going to be trimmed out similar to the front door to give the wow factor. So the custom shelf I want to make, I basically just want to stain the wood and put some brackets underneath it. Or I might have my husband build the floating shelves he did at our last house. I'm not sure, but I kind of want an elegant feel. So maybe brass brackets or black brackets, I don't know. Like I already bought some and I don't know if I'll use them or not. But in any case, I could do this wallpaper feature wall, then take this wood, stain it, add my brackets, and then have a place to showcase some nice artwork, my plate collections through the seasons. I don't know. That is my thought. So you guys, this wood is actually a little bit longer than my cabinet. Imagine two of these across the way with the wallpaper and then the trim work on each side with the trim work up top. Can you say focal point wall? I think it would be so interesting looking. And so right now I haven't committed to the whole shelf idea just yet. I kind of want to marinate on it, and once I get the wallpaper up and the trim, take a step back and then kind of play with ideas. Time will tell. And actually, I would love for you guys to tell me what you think, because I do respect and value your opinions. So, you know, let me know what you think. Would you add custom shelves within the framework? Because I know you guys will have opinions, and sometimes you guys give me opinions that I haven't even thought about. So I would love to know. So in closing, what I'm really trying to do is create continuity between the different spaces. I want the foyer to feel sophisticated and dramatic, while I want the dining room to carry that same richness, but in its own special way. So let me know what you think about the wallpaper and those shelves within that framework. So if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I would love to see you in the comments. If you don't want to leave a comment, just a simple little emoji really helps my channel out, and I really appreciate it. So I want to wish you guys a wonderful weekend ahead, and I will see you guys back here next week. And on Friday of next week, I have a special collab coming up, so you won't want to miss it. It is fall related. We'll see you then. Mwah! Bye, guys.